Naka-Maxfit, kargado, tulong sa lakas ng katawan, listong isipan at lambing na pangmatagalan with proper diet and exercise.
Lipat na sa Maxfit Cargado.
Unilab yan.
Multivitamins, minerals, ginseng at royal jelly. Generic name ng Maxfit. Symptoms persist. Consult your doctor.
Sakit ng tiyan, hilab at pangangasim. Baka hyperacidity na yan. Hyperacidity? Target Yasin with Kremel S tablet. Mag-Kremel S tab agad para ginhawa mula sa hyperacidity at sakit ng tiyan na kasama nito. Basta hyperacidity, mag-Kremel S tablet agad. Unilab yan. Aluminum hydroxide plus magnesium hydroxide plus simeticone is the generic name of Kremel S. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Atas ni baby? Check. Sabon pangligo? Check. Pero kulang na ang rekado pang luto at pamasahe pa uwi. Borrow as low as 100 pesos. Kaya palang humiram ng tingi-tingi. Sa G-Loan Sakto. Mag-G-Loan Sakto sa GCash. Subject to eligibility. Terms and conditions apply. G-Loan Sakto is powered by Fuse Financing Incorporated. Fuse Financing Incorporated is supervised by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas and regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission. Kindly review the terms and conditions in the disclosure statement before proceeding with the loan transaction. GCash is supervised by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. www.bsp.gov.ph. Visit the GCash website or help center to know more.
Body pain?
Shoulder, neck, lower back, leg, arm, feeling good. Salon Pass, relieve the pain.
This is Sarah G for Salon Pass.
Methylsalicylate by methyltocopherol acetate DL-Camphor is the generic name of Salonpas. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Indaltes for
Usapang immunity gap.
Mami, alam mo ba ang immunity gap? Immunity gap ba pag di tamang kinakain? Immunity gap ba pag nagkakasakit? Immunity gap na yan.
Stop!
Immunity gap.
Dapat tuloy-tuloy ang Celine Plus. Tumutulong punuin ang kulang na vitamin C and zinc. Tulong para ang immunity
100%.
Based on RENI with proper diet and exercise.
Help stop immunity gap.
Mag-Celine Plus araw-araw.
Alagang Unilab yan. Ascorbic acid plus zinc is the generic name of Celine Plus. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor. Alam mo ba pag overworked at bilat, umihina ang immune system? Kaya sabi ng mga pro, araw-araw mag-Immune Pro.
The only one with Zinc Plus technology. Kaya buo ang vitamin C at zinc. At most prescribed by doctors. Tulungang palakasin ang immune system with proper diet and exercise. Magtiwala sa Pro. Immune Pro.
Unilab yan.
Sodium ascorbic plus zinc is the generic name of Immune Pro. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.